Hey everyone, Asalav here. Today, I'm thrilled to guide you through Minersy, a cloud mining platform transforming how we mine cryptocurrencies. With Minersy, forget about the hassle of expensive hardware. It's all about mining smarter, not harder. Why Minersy? It's simple. Mine 24/7 on a cloud system without worrying about electricity costs or upkeep. Designed for ease, Minersy welcomes newcomers with open arms, making your dive into crypto mining as smooth as possible. Here's where it gets exciting. By using my referral code, find it on screen and in the description, you're not just getting a head start with a wallet bonus. You're stepping into a community where growth and security go hand in hand. We're all about enhancing our mining efficiency together. Now, let's dive deeper. Active engagement with Minersy is key. You'll need to periodically restart your mining to keep the system efficient and fair for all users. Plus, there's the daily gift box, a simple, no-cost way to boost your earnings. The rewards vary, but who doesn't love a surprise? But here's the thing. While Minersy offers free mining, truly maximizing your earnings might involve exploring their mining packages. These can significantly increase your mining speed and potential earnings, offering a compelling option for those serious about their crypto journey. As we embark on this adventure, my goal is to arm you with knowledge and insights. My channel is packed with more crypto content, with lots more on the horizon. So, dive into my profile, check out my videos, and let's unlock the potential of digital currencies together. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. Stay tuned and happy mining!